Creating great videos. It is just common sense that you want to create the most engaging, inspirational, and informative videos that you can. After a while of creating videos for your vlog, you may well find that you can create great videos on the fly. Until you get to that stage, we recommend that you follow the steps below. Create a script. Most people just can't sit in front of a camera and talk freely about their subject. If you can, then great. If not, then the best thing to do is create a script. Think about what you want each video to achieve when planning your script. Do you want the viewer to take action after watching? The most important parts of a video are the beginning and the end. Make the start really compelling to motivate the viewer to watch all the way through. Keep in mind that most people have very short attention spans, and if you don't make a good start with your videos, then even passionate followers will not watch. You need to make the end of the video very inspiring too. This is especially important if you want them to take a specific action like visit your website. If you have no specific call to action in mind, then give them a taste of what the next video will be about. Ensure that your video script flows nicely. If you're going to show your audience how to do something, then plan out what you need to do and when. If you're recording outside, then where will you go first, second, and so on. After planning your script, then create a storyboard. If you're going to narrate over the top of the video, then practice this. Remember to keep your videos as short as you can. If a tutorial is going to be long, then break it up into 2 or 3 videos. What about equipment? Okay, we did say at the start of this training that you can make a video for your vlog with just your smartphone. You can get started this way, but there are better ways to make your videos. This all starts with a good quality camcorder. You don't need a professional digital camera to shoot your vlog videos. When your vlog is successful and you are generating revenue, then go and get a pro camera. Until then, just use a good quality camcorder that will shoot in HD. If you're going to shoot videos indoors, then you need to think about lighting. Shoot some test footage to see how good the lighting is. Invest in some lights if you need to. It is pointless spending out for a high-quality camcorder if the lighting is poor. You need a good quality microphone as well. If you create videos with poor audio quality, then you will not succeed with your vlog. For indoor recording, get a high-quality USB microphone. What about screen recording and video editing? If you're going to create tutorials, then you may want to record your computer screen. Desktop recording is easy with Camtasia, but this will cost around $200. There is a free option, which is Cam Studio. Give this a try first. Cam Studio will only work on Windows-based computers. If you have a Mac, then you can try Mac OS Mojave. There are other free screen recording applications for Macs. After shooting your video, you will need to edit it to make it the best it can be. If you have Cam Studio or Camtasia, then both of these will do a good job. There are free video editing applications available for Windows and Mac users. Windows Movie Maker is a good video editing suite for Windows users, and if you own a Mac, then use iMovie. You will find both of these applications easy to use, and you can add transitions and other features to make your videos look really great. Creating your video. Speak with passion in your voice. Don't be monotone and boring. This will drive people away faster than you can imagine. Be enthusiastic throughout the video. You can't expect your audience to be enthusiastic about your videos if you are not. If you are creating a tutorial, then provide proof that your methods really work. Show them before and after or the end result, whatever applies. If other people use your methods, then ask them to provide a video testimonial. Add as much social proof as you can. Appeal to people's emotions as much as possible in your video. Tell them how exciting it will be for them to travel to the destination you are filming in. Or tell them how beautiful they will look after using your makeup tips. Test how well your videos are received. In your mind, you have created a great video, but what really counts is what your audience thinks. You need to look at a few things here, such as how many viewers watched your video from beginning to end. If that wasn't the case for a lot of viewers, at what stage of the video did they stop watching it? Is there a problem with a certain section of the video? How many people liked the video and how many gave it a thumbs down? Read through the comments and see if there are any criticisms there. Don't take them personally. Treat them as good feedback to create better videos in the future. What can you do if your video was not well received? Well, you can either edit it to add the information that people in the comments say was missing, or you can create a new video that covers this. So now you know how to create great videos that will keep people engaged and wanting more from your vlog. Go with the majority flow. With all videos, there will always be someone that has a complaint to make. If the majority of viewers like your video, then you are on the right track. Always ask viewers of your videos to subscribe to your channel if they haven't already. Ask them to like the video as well and encourage them to leave comments so that you can create better videos in the future. Tell your viewers that your vlog is for them, so any feedback is very helpful. Do everything that you can to appeal to people's emotions. Tell them that they can do whatever you are showing them to do. Use words like exciting, fantastic, and other superlatives, and always be passionate in your videos, promoting your vlog. When you create your new vlog and start to upload your videos, you must do more than just rely on the optimization tactics we discussed in the last video for search traffic. You need to tell the world about your new vlog. It is never a case of build it and they will come. You need to put in some continuous promotional effort to give your vlog every chance of developing a large following. Some vloggers wait until they have a number of videos on their vlog, such as 10 to 30, but our advice is to start promoting your blog as soon as your first video is up. If you don't have a huge social media following at the moment, then don't let that stop you. Some vloggers started off with social accounts of less than 50 followers, and now they are doing very well. The key is to be consistent. Tell everyone that you know. Make a list of all your family members, friends, work colleagues, past and present, and any other people that you know. Use Facebook, email, and any other means that you have to contact them and tell them about your new vlog. If you haven't spoken to some of these people in years, then write them a nice email and tell them that you miss them. Ask them to get in touch with you again if you want to do that. Then tell them that you have started a new vlog and that you would really appreciate their support. This is something that is so easy to do, but most people don't do it. Unless you have a very good reason for not telling the people you already know about your vlog, then tell them. It can be a lot of fun making contact with people you have not been in touch with for years. Ask them to spread the word to the people that they know too. Use Reddit. If you don't have a Reddit account, then sign up for one today. It is a very popular platform that is overlooked by most people. People create subreddits on the platform that are dedicated to specific subjects and niches. Not all of these are going to be a hit for you, but here are some good ones for new vloggers. R NewTubers, R Vlog, R Vlogs, R Vlogger, R Vlogging. Once you get your Reddit account, use it to comment on other people's accounts. Try to create an account that matches your vlog brand name. Be sure to follow the rules on Reddit, as you can get your account closed very quickly if they think you are spamming. Take a look at what others do in the subreddits mentioned above. Use Facebook. You cannot and mustn't ignore the biggest social media platform. Facebook is a great place for posting videos and getting people to share your content. Create a Facebook page around your vlog brand. It is really easy to do, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube to show you how to do this effectively. Add branded artwork to your Facebook page. Make it look really professional. Be sure to post other useful content on your page as well as your vlog videos. Become friends with other people on Facebook that are in your niche. Look for Facebook groups that you can join that are related to. Facebook has a good advertising service where you can specifically target your audience to drive traffic to your Facebook page. It's not just about getting likes to your page. Encourage people to share and leave comments as well. Use Twitter. Twitter is a huge social media platform that can be difficult to have success with, but it is worth making the effort because with a large Twitter following, you can really drive up subscriptions to your vlog. Again, don't just make tweets about your vlog videos. If this is all that you do, then people will stop responding to your tweets. Post some other useful tweets and retweet content from other Twitter users that is relevant to your vlog. Succeeding with Twitter, as with other social platforms, is all about reaching out to others. Follow people that you believe have an interest in your niche and reply to the tweets that they make and retweet them. Share their content as much as you can. Use Instagram. A lot of people shy away from Instagram because it can be tricky to gain a following there, but it is really worth persisting with, as you can get a lot of YouTube views from this platform. Instagram users like images as well as videos. So take an interesting screenshot from your vlog videos and post this, asking people to check it out. One thing you need to know about Instagram is that you can't link directly to your YouTube vlog from posts. They do not allow external links. So you need to set up a good bio in Instagram and link to your vlog from there. When you make a post, tell people that the link to your vlog is in your bio. It is always a good idea to tell people exactly what you want them to do. Use Quora. Quora.com is a forum where questions are asked on just about every topic under the sun. It has a huge user base and is often overlooked as a promotional tool for vloggers. It is also a great place to get inspiration for future videos for your vlog. Find questions that have a direct relation to videos on your vlog. Write an answer and then add something like, "For a more detailed answer to this question, please take a look at this video." If your video does a really good job answering the question, then it will receive a lot of upvotes, which means more and more Quora users will watch it. Make comments on videos posted by popular YouTubers. While it is true that there are a lot of morons that make stupid comments on most YouTube videos, you will have to deal with this yourself at some stage. There are actually a lot of genuine people that leave comments as well. Your job is to become one of these genuine people that leave sensible comments. Find other related videos in your niche and leave a positive comment about it. By becoming part of the conversation and adding value to other people's videos, there's a good chance that they will reciprocate by clicking on your username and checking out your channel. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get more video views and subscribers, so make sure that you do this. It is very important that you choose the videos of popular YouTubers that have some relation to your vlog. You don't have to just add constructive comments to popular videos either. Find other related high-quality videos that don't have as many views and add comments to those too. Don't use the spam approach here. Never ask the video poster to check out your channel and subscribe. Use the YT Talk Forum. Join the YT Talk Forum. It is a very active forum for the YouTube community, and there are people there with small and large channels. Start contributing to other people's posts and then use the forum as a feedback mechanism for your videos. People that post videos on YouTube tend to watch other people's videos as well, so this is a great place to find more viewers and subscribers. As always, look to add value with your posts and replies. Don't resort to any form of spam. Use empire.cred. Most vlog owners have never heard of empire.cred, let alone use it. When you sign up, you are awarded a stock value based on your social influence. You can post your vlog content here and persuade other influencers on the platform to check it out and engage with it. Other influencers on empire.cred can purchase stock in you if they like what you are doing. This will increase the amount of EVEs that you have, the digital currency used. You can use your EVEs to create specific tasks, such as requesting other influencers to view your latest video, etc. You are not allowed to ask for specific engagement activities such as sharing, commenting, or liking. Just leave it to the influencer to make their own decision on this. Influencers will earn EVEs from you for completing the task. If the influencers like your vlog, they will subscribe to your channel. Engage with all comments you receive. The best way to promote your vlog is to create a community. As you grow your community more and more, people will come back to your videos and share them, like them, and leave comments. You need to monitor comments on all of your videos and respond to them as fast as you can. People will really appreciate that you took the time to respond to their comments. You are proving that you are a real person and care about what they have to say. This will motivate them to subscribe if they haven't already done so, and keep an eye out for your future videos. Optimizing your YouTube videos. Optimizing your videos properly is essential. When you are first starting out, this is really important as you need to do everything that you can to ensure that your videos come up in a YouTube search. It will also increase your chances of your videos ranking high in Google as well. It all starts with keyword research. You need to find out what people are likely to enter into the search box in YouTube to find your videos. The best way to do this is through keyword research. You can do this for free using the Google Keyword Planner. You will need to create a free Google AdWords account to access this tool. Let's say that you are creating a video about traveling to Japan. When you are in the Google Keyword Planner, enter the seed keyword Japan travel and then see what other keyword suggestions Google has to offer. You can download these suggestions in a CSV file, which you can open with most spreadsheet applications, such as Microsoft Excel. Go through the list and choose the best keywords. Look at the estimated search volumes. You want to come up with a list of around 10 keywords for each video. Decide which keyword will be your main keyword. Maybe this could be travel to Japan. Create a compelling title around your main keyword. You need to come up with an appealing title so that when people see your video in the search results, they will want to watch it. So, for our Japan example, you could use something like travel to Japan for fun and excitement. Make sure that you include your main keyword in the title. Don't just leave the title as travel to Japan. This will not inspire that many people to watch your video. Use other words to create excitement. Another approach may be travel to Japan. You won't believe what happened to me. This creates curiosity. Try writing a number of different titles with your keyword in them. Go for 10 different titles and then choose the best one. If you can get the keyword in at the beginning of the title, then that is preferable, but it doesn't matter that much. So just go wild here with your ideas. Remember that the more enticing you make your title, the more views you will get. Write a keyword-rich description. Some people like to read the description of a video before they watch it, so make this compelling as well. We recommend that your description is at least 300 words long and contains your secondary keywords that you found earlier. Tell people what the video is about, but don't give everything away. You can always say something like, "You won't believe what happened at the end of this video," or "I have a big surprise for you at the end of the video." Just use techniques to hook the viewer and encourage them to watch all the way through. Don't go crazy with keywords in the description. If you can't fit them in naturally, then don't add them. Use the right tags for your video. Only use keywords and tags that are related to your video. If your video is about traveling to Japan, then don't add unrelated keywords in, such as how to speak Chinese. If someone is looking to learn Chinese and watches your video, they will be very unimpressed that there is nothing about learning Chinese in it. So choose about 5 related keywords, including your main keyword, and add these as tags. There is a 400-character limit on tags with YouTube at the time of writing. This doesn't mean that you have to use every last character. Be sure to speak your main keywords in the video. This one might surprise you. The thing is that technology has really advanced over the last few years, and YouTube can understand English and maybe other languages, so it will pick up on certain key phrases. Nobody knows just how accurate the YouTube system is for recognizing spoken keywords, but estimates suggest as high as 80%. This will continually improve, so it is really worth mentioning your main keyword and some secondary keywords in your video. Be sure to plan for this when creating your video script. Good video optimization doesn't take long. If you have spent a great deal of time creating a video script and a storyboard as we suggested, then it seems crazy not to spend a few minutes optimizing your videos so that they have the maximum chance of being found in a search. So use these video optimization tips every time. Don't skip the keyword research step, as this is the most important task. It will not take you long to uncover some good keywords. Even if you have a large following with your vlog, we would always recommend that you optimize each video.